Okay, what's up guys? In today's video, we're going to be waiting until the new Directors of War come out. So I'm just going to stay in matches against people until it happens. So, yeah. Person. I'm going to act like I'm going to lose. Where is he? Where'd he go? Ah, dang it. I died. Okay. So far, as you can see, I'm winning 4-2, so I'm going to make this match as long as possible because, well, yeah.
Round starting.
That way, I can wait. Easy aimbot! Yes! GG's, want to go again?
Yeah, hold on.
What's up? Just quick rematch, bro.
Bro, I had to go do something.
Please, quick rematch.
Oh my god.
Cut to here. What's up, guys? We're here in matches. So, actually, no. Wait. Who wants 1v1? I don't care about the rank. Yo, can one of you guys go against me, please? Cut into the game. Okay, guys, we're here. Or actually, no, I forgot. Cut into the actual.
Wait, are you a YouTuber?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, I am.
Wait, you are?
Yeah.
Nice. How many subs do you have?
Match starting.
Cut to here. Okay, guys, we're in the match. Boop. Put that there. Wait for him. Low key, pop up. High key, hit those shots. Cooked. How? How did I just miss every single shot? I just gotta move my room.
Round starting.
8. Okay, you just took that round. Okay, it's 1-1 right now. Oh shoot.
Round starting.
Okay, guys, we're in a match. It's 1-1. This kid is good. He's a sniper. Basically, my entire weakness. Oh, shuriken launcher. That covers so much area. Okay. This is a really hard game. I'm just gonna take off the charger that I've had. Because that's low-key really hard to play with. Charger.
Round starting.
Okay, hit that shot. Okay, we took that round. We took it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go like over here.
Round starting.
Basically, I know him. 88. Shouldn't let me hit those shots. So guys, I'm about to win. It's 4-1 somehow already.
Round starting.
So basically, yeah. I'm gonna make it seem like I'm about to lose. No. Okay, I somehow just killed him. Rematch? Oh. Cut to here. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go to see who the Directors of War are. Here. Okay, guys, we made it, so we're here. Nothing new. King Beaver King Bear VR, Gimme, Blues AR, Kid K, Dashy, TY, 2VR, Ballon, and King Bear VR. This is all the current directors. If you want, you can just pause it to read it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go for like probably 5 more minutes, cause, yeah. Okay, guys. So I think I'm gonna do like a couple more games right now. So yeah, let's do this. Let's see. When are they gonna announce the new directors? Bro, holy rank farm. Holy. I didn't even get on there.
They just gotta join.
Hey, no. Okay, guys, so we still have like probably 15 minutes until they release the new Directors of War, so yeah, that's gonna happen. And by the way, guys, if you ever see like Rippy VR's content or someone else, what's up? As I was saying, so guys, if you ever see like Rippy VR or ARs, any of them, make sure to subscribe to them. They're very good YouTubers and they make great content. Okay, here's the match. Put that there.
Match starting.
They're battle predators, I think. So this
Round
may
starting.
be kind of hard, kind of easy. Oh my god, this kid has aimbot.
Round starting.
Holy aimbot kid, holy aimbot kid, holy aimbot kid, holy aimbot kid, holy aimbot kid. Come on, bro. Can you even kill one of them? Teammate. These kids seriously want teammate, bro.
Round starting.
He's aimbotted. Holy shotgun kids. Shotgun kids, nah. That's it. How? Bro, teammate, how are you? I'm getting them to 1 HP each.
Round starting.
And then you just sell. Dang. Like, I just hit this kid 99. Bro, teammate. How? Okay, yes, finally, teammate.
194.
Okay, yeah, and I hit him 19, and I hit this other kid 99. You know?
Round starting.
Okay, yeah, that was quick. That was quick. These kids are, not gonna lie, being toxic to us, and that's not very nice. Make sure to be nice
Round
to
starting.
everyone you meet. Holy, double team is actually crazy. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just try to go at both. Just don't.
Round
Look,
starting.
stay over here. Stay over. Bro. Bro. GG's.
You were winning this. I told you.
Okay, guys, so I lost that. Cut to here. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna do another video, or not video, but we're just gonna do another match. I did play one, but I accidentally messed up, so yeah. Oh wait, let's see. Did they add them? Okay, chat, we're here. Nothing new. Stingle, King Bear, Gimme, Blues AR, Kid K, Dashy, TY, 2VR, Balony, King B, Barry VR. You can read all these again if you want, but they haven't added anyone new, sadly, so yeah. I think I might end the video here, guys, because, not gonna lie, they're taking forever to add the new Directors of War. So I might make, like, a part 2. Actually, no, it's kind of stupid. Because they're just releasing it in probably, like, let me see. They're releasing it in 10 minutes, I think. So, yeah. I feel like I'm cooked. Wait, did someone say Rippy VR?
They know me. They know me, bro.
Wait, who are you?
Wait. They know me.
Get a bundle.
Rippy VR YT. Yo, you're an impersonator.
Give me bundle.
I know the real Rippy VR.
Oh my god, Silverback won. Someone please my cock.
Guys, we just found Rippy VR's first impersonator. Rippy VR YTAR. He is not Rippy VR. I know the real Rippy VR. He's an imposter. He is an imposter.
I believe no, this guy is Rippy VR. This guy is
Nah, he's not. I know the real Rippy VR. He is not the real Rippy VR. He is not the real Rippy VR.
Yes, he is.
No, he ain't. No, he ain't. No, what? Nah. I gotta snap a picture.
He's the real one.
How?
No, he's
No, yo, you're actually crazy. That's crazy impersonation. No, what? No.
I'm the real Rippy.
Impersonator! We got an impersonator. Yo, we got Rippy VR's first impersonator. Actually, his second he met one in the lobby. Wait, then who am I? Who am I then? Who am I?
You're the real one.
You're the VR monkey and your name is Gavnut. Uh-huh.
Why is Ricky being toxic? Why is Ricky being
In
toxic?
the middle of the video.
Let's cancel
Wait,
Ricky.
what?
Bro, why is everyone surrounding me, bro? This is how
You're
popular
not
I am.
Ricky. No way.
Wait, are you the? Oh wait, Aiden. Yo, what's up, Aiden? Aiden Nut.
What's up, bro?
We got Aiden Nut here. See, he called me Gav Nut. He's Aiden Nut. So yeah, he actually is the real Rippy. I thought he was a different one because like I thought you were like a fake because like you had a different skin on. So yeah, he's actually the real one. That's confirmed.
We have to get the Ricky skin.
I found a way for you to
We have to get
punch
So yeah, let's see. Anything new? Just gonna edit this off. Let's see. When are they adding the new DAOs? I guess is low key kind of taking forever. Hey, what's up, bro? I'm checking the Director's Award. Still,
Did you see how much people were surrounding me, bro? That was like 6 people, 5
for
people.
real, bro. That's crazy, bro.
They're like, Rippy VR. That's crazy. Yo, I'm gonna make a video right now. Hold on.
Oh, I'm already recording, bro.
What is up, everybody?
Okay, he's recording a video, I guess. I guess now I'm here with Rippy VR. Yeah.
They are announcing DAO.
They're announcing them in like probably 10 minutes, so this is gonna low-key take a while, so I'm just gonna take a picture.
I'm over here.
Not gonna lie, not too
VR
bad.
Monkey.
Hello,
I'll put
I'm
his
here
channel. I'll put
with
his channel.
I'm here with Rippy VR.
I'll put this guy's YouTube channel right here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put his YouTube channel up here. I don't. Yeah. So yeah, he's also the GOAT, best friend.
Just join the lobby with all these YouTubers and wait.
So yeah.
So let's.
So he's just gonna join a YouTuber with a bunch. He's just gonna join a code with a bunch of YouTubers. And yeah,
You wanna join?
yeah. That I was gonna join you either way, but
Let's go.
so I'm just gonna join him.
They're still talking about me. Yo, the VR Monkey, they're still talking about me. Yo, impersonator,
Bro, just call me Gavnut.
impersonator.
So yeah, guys, you can just call me.
Wait, JR?
Who are you?
Save my life.
Bro, are you an impersonator?
Wait.
Oh really? Because you have the exact same skin as
I
him.
am in the Animal Rivals community.
No, I'm totally not an impersonator.
Guy has like my outfit all wrong, bro.
Pretty bad,
Gang impersonator got impersonated.
So now more people are surrounding me.
Yo, Aiden, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Alright, yo, I'm gonna just join a code. Peace out, everyone. I gotta go.
Yeah, join.
My thing's glitched. Yo, peace out, bro.
I'm just gonna join you.
Alright, let's just get into the code.
Who are you? Yo, BRX, join me. Join me, okay?
Bro. Okay, I'm joining him. Bruh. Okay, I couldn't join him. His lobby was full. Oh no. So. Alright, guys, we're in this code. Yo! Wait, who are you?
I don't do it, Aura.
Okay, guys, so I can't join him right now. I'm gonna try one more time. Oh, looks like he's staying in there. Oh. Okay. Bro. Holy.
All the YouTubers that I'm trying to join, all their lobbies are full because they're like live streaming.
Yeah, all the YouTuber lobbies are full, I guess.
But
My bad. So all the YouTuber lobbies are full. Who is this kid?
I have my joins on. Oh, let's go. Oh, what's up, Jeffrey?
What's up?
What's good, bro?
My bad.
Oh, more people joining. What's up, Cheeseball?
Oh, we got more people. We got more people joining.
I saw that new YouTube short you made, bro. That was like, it was like, how do you have so many bundles? Or how much bundles do you have?
Aiden.
Turn your joins on so people can join. Because 2 people
Wait.
already joined. Or 3 people.
Wait, Aiden, should we do a 2v2, you and me versus them two? To pass the time?
Quick? Yeah, sure.
Bet, let's go.
I guess, we're gonna do 2v2.
Yeah, me and Rippy. Okay, guys, we're over here. Wait, let me see.
Friends, then like on the top where it says your name, it says set offline, set online, or whatever. But
Okay,
these
so
buttons
guys,
are
they should be announcing them in like 3 minutes. This is already a very long video. It's gonna take a while of editing.
You tried not to call me my name in real life?
I mean, then don't call me Gavnut in front of my fans. Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah, he calls me Gavnut.
Match starting.
Okay, guys, we're in a match between some other guys. So yeah,
Round starting.
2v2s.
We're against Cheeseball.
Me and Rippy, of course, because like, yeah.
Yo, I just headshot a Cheeseball, yo.
I saw that, bro. That was actually a clip. I thought you died though.
Round starting.
No, I did not.
29. How am I already almost dead? I'm dead. How was I able to kill one? I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of selling because I don't have katana.
Round starting.
Wait. You gotta change up the logo.
Chat, we need to change something up here.
And Jeffrey, he was like,
Round starting.
friend, bro, he was mad good.
was changing my loadout.
Oh my god. Never change your loadout in the middle of the map.
Yeah,
Remember you
that's
said-
my fault.
Remember you said never shoot a man when a man's reloading.
Round starting.
Yeah.
Got you, Jeffrey.
Killed one. I meleeed this kid to death. Yay! I completely meleeed this guy. I hit him 105, then 95 with the cutlass, bro. Boom. Kaplow.
Round starting.
Okay.
Bro! Oh my god. You might-
How did... Yeah, Aiden, bro. Come on. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm not... Wait. Not gonna lie, I'm doing a bit better than you.
How is he? No. He's so good with
Bro. Guys, we... Yeah, rematch.
Rematch?
Yeah, Okay, guys. Wait, yo! Okay, guys, did they release the new Directors of War? I think they released... So, let's see. Nope. Nothing yet. Oh, when are they gonna add them? It's 7 o'clock already.
Come on, Jeffrey boy. Yo,
Yo, let's 1v1 Aiden.
Whatever.
Whatever. Whatever I call you.
Bro, you need to start getting used to like. Yo, what? Bro, what?
Alright, guys, so I'm about to play the most unfair game of my life. We're against Rippy VR, the real one.
Go subscribe to him. I'm gonna put his YouTube channel again.
Yes. I'm
Subscribe
sorry.
to him.
You heard
Match
Rippy.
starting.
Subscribe. Have you liked? Do them both.
Round starting.
Wait. Just gotta go first person. Ew! I wasn't even in first person yet. Ah! Bro, I was so close.
Round starting.
No! Bro! Holy runner!
Wow.
Bro, stop running!
Round starting.
Bang! How did I miss? Bang! I'm cooked! Ciao! Yeah. Bro, I wish they made it so, like, if you press the trigger, like, Katana gives you a dash, then this one would, like, just... Ow. How... Oh my god! Bro, if you deflect a shotgun bullet, that's crazy. Although, I don't think it's actually possible.
Round starting.
Boom, 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 boom. Whoa. That was rematch.
Bro, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing on this video.
Basically, I lost that round.
Bro, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing.
I'm about to have to do so much. Bro, I've been recording for 23 minutes. I have so much editing, bro.
Match starting.
At this point, I don't think the video is about the Directors of War anymore. I think it's more so just playing 1v1s against people. Oh! Boom. Imagine deflect.
Weep.
Bro, this damn charger is so annoying.
Round starting.
Hold up, chat. Hold up. Boom. Yeah, that was over. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of cooked. Because he is a better sniper than
Round
me.
starting.
What? That was a clip! I just actually what? I just got clipped! Oh, this is actually
Round
kind of like...
starting.
I mean, I know I said it was gonna be an unfair match, but I didn't expect it to be this unfair. Boom. What? How? I wasn't even... What? I was behind the wall. Oh, yeah, I think bro turned on his aimbot. That's how.
Round starting.
I'm selling. What? Rematch. Yes. I'm getting cooked alive. I just lost twice in a row. 5-0.
Wait, what are we doing only of?
Cutlass.
Nah, only this. Only
Uzi?
This is like my main gun. This is like my main
Nah, only this. Only Uzi.
Match starting.
Okay, I'm just gonna put this there. Guys, Uzi only, bro.
Round starting.
Uzi only.
Uzi only, I'm doing
No, bro, not. That's so unfair. God, Uzi, bro.
Uzi.
Nah, we're using Uzi. We are not using that.
Rate my Uzi rapping.
Rate my Uzi rap. Totally not buns.
Round starting.
How? Holy, I hate this. I'm actually like... just gonna pull out.
Round starting.
Wait, what? I was about to ask you. Where? He's teleporting. He's actually teleporting. Bro, why? Why did this... Bro, this charger. Sniper only. Sniper only. Sniper only. What? What? That is not sniper, chat. That is not sniper. Yeah, I accidentally used DMR. My bad.
Round starting.
Bro, then why did you de-equip it? Yeah, I said sniper only.
DMR only, because you already...
Nah, bro, fine.
There's one from the last...
When can we use cutlass only, bro? Nah, cutlass only this match. Cutlass only. And we gotta do
really
shipwreck
don't like
because it's
Cutlass.
pirate.
I really don't
Bro,
like
I
it.
didn't want to do any of
Shipwreck is way too
yours.
big. Shipwreck is way too big, bro.
Nah. Shipwreck. Shipwreck. Because, bro, it's pirate. No. Guys, the amount of
Match
editing I'm about to
started.
do is going to take me 5 hours. Put that there.
Round starting.
We're going to run. Bro, that is not... That is not... Nah. Holy... Cheater, 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 cheater. No katana, no katana. No, we cannot use katana, because katana you use to do damage, and that's cheating.
Round starting.
Yeah, you can move with katana, but you literally hit me with katana.
Basically, all my guns
I'm the better machetist. I'm really good at machete, bro. Bro, I said machete only. Oh, I'm dead. It's Jova. It's Jova. Well, I mean, you used katana the first round, which was also hella unfair because you literally hit me 85 damage with it.
Round starting.
Why did you go so far? Like, Cutlass can't shoot.
I know, bro, but I also don't want to get cooked by your cutlass. Yo, guys, at least I'm not losing 5-0 now. Wait, am I? Oh, shoot. I'm just gonna cut out that.
Round starting.
Please be. What? 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 Hack. That's hack. That's hack. Okay, guys, I think he just might have pulled out hacks. Now watch him pull out like a gun.
Seen that guy? You had a katana?
Yeah, use. See? You use katana to do damage! Guys, he cheated. I'm leaving. Alright, guys, I'm gonna see. Did they finally post the new DAOs? Because it's actually mad annoying. The Directors of War. Nah. Either they already announced them, or I'm better crash
So
out.
guys, the Director of War still hasn't been announced. I don't know
Ha!
why.
Nah, at this point, I think I'm just done making the video. So guys, it's not about the Directors of War at this point. It's just about how many games I played.